elegantly combined. It's not about your face and your name on the poster. It's about the way you spit game on the corner. Call the master band into songs with no hook. And she cried when cannibals pull out the notebook. Me, I just wanted to get more intimate. She said maybe one day if around scared more intricate. It made me work on my craft, cause I most certainly plan to one day spark her in the breast with unheard verses meant to trigger her just to smack. I was nervous the first time I called her up and said, girl, check my verses of rap, displaying alpha maleness to this female homo sapien. What's the purpose of that? And she said,
baby, spit your game, spit your game and make me realize that you're the one for me. If you really want me, if you really need me, do it if you love me. Spit another 16 for me, baby.
She's taking voice lessons. Hey girl, I got a new joint, wanna listen? The song's on point, diction led to kissing, and left her sex organ dripping to the point of no friction. Bars that made her simulate my groin section, and she called up a girlfriend to join sexing. I said, what can you give an unemployed best friend? She said, 2 blowjobs. Don't laugh, enjoy, listen, boy, listen. Remember this, I only love you for your exquisite penmanship. I said, damn, let me undress. Grab the mic, girl, battle rap contest. Now she wanted her face slapped by the fat penis of the rapper that had mad stacks of raps that she would analyze and put on rap genius. The love for the music was really that serious.
Baby, spit your game, spit your game and make me realize that you're the one for me. If you really want me, if you really need me, do it if you love me. Spit another rhyme.
I knew that the rhythms, the rhymes, and the lyrics were turning her on. And I saw how the wordplay, the music, the lyrics were keeping her warm. Hey, hey, yeah. She wants some Talib Kweli and some of that immortal technique, some R8 the rugged man. You know, she wants some Denal the rice cracker. She would never get intimate with the illiterate idiot that didn't know shit about spending intricate idiot flipping 16s. But she was feeling the way this Norwegian and Filipino MC did it. You know what this means? She said, never leave me forsaken. Future rapper, baby, in the making. Damn, she found her lyrical acrobat with the crazy flow. The rhythmics that earned me some fellatio. Where the lyrics with content, not catchy, but never nonsense. Where do we go from here? She's in love with my skills, but it's making us no money for clothes.